Hello everyone, welcome to Healthy Kadai. Today we will make yet another interesting recipe, which is capsicum ringlets. Now let's see how to cook this in a more healthy way.
So the ingredients required for our stuffed capsicum are capsicum, which is our main ingredient, boiled potatoes, gram flour or besan, and all the spices and condiments as per your taste. Now let's see how to make this. So for stuffing the capsicum, we have just taken boiled potatoes and mashed them, and now we are adding the normal spices, turmeric powder, coriander seeds, garam masala, and half a teaspoon of dry amchur powder, salt as per your taste. We will just mix all these ingredients. And for stuffing, you can take even cheese or any other stuffing which you like. We are taking potatoes, and you can see the green thing in between the potatoes, which are actually chopped capsicum only. Just to give that extra crunch, we have added the chopped capsicums. And now we have cut the capsicums in the ringlet forms, and we will stuff it with these potatoes. You have to press it from both the sides so that our stuffing doesn't get come out from the ringlets. And likewise, we will stuff all the capsicum ringlets. And now, as you can see, we have just stuffed all our capsicum ringlets, and to give a coating, we will just dab it with gram flour or besan. In the besan, you can add little more spices if you want. And like this, we will cover our capsicum ringlets with besan, and then we will just fry it in an air fryer, which you will see soon. And now comes the best part. We will just fry these potato capsicum ringlets in air fryer. As you can see, we have just preheated the air fryer, and we will just put our capsicum ringlets in this box. So now we will just keep these stuffed capsicum ringlets and fry it. Keep it for frying at least for 10 minutes. As you can see, I've just applied a very little amount of oil on these ringlets, and no other extra oil. And that's it. We will just move this knob to 10, and here starts our frying. In between, you can also even open the box and check it if the potato capsicum ringlets are done. So here is a stuffed capsicum ringlet, absolutely ready to serve. Try making this recipe in an air fryer and let us have your reviews. Thank you.